Hello everyone, today I'm going to make jacket potatoes and I'm going to show you how it's made. I went to the store the other day and I saw these big lovely potatoes. They were fresh and I thought, oh, what? Actually, I was going to get potatoes for something else and I thought, no, this is jacket potatoes. I am going to have some jacket potatoes, which I haven't had in like 12 years. So I'm really looking forward to this. But before we start, we need to wash the potatoes. Potatoes are grown in the ground, so when you bring them out, you can see it's still a bit dusty. So I'm going to scrub them first, and then once they are scrubbed, I'm going to pat them dry. I'm going to put pierce some holes in it, so that when they're being baked, they don't explode in the oven. I'm going to rub it with some olive oil and some seasoning. So let's start by washing the potatoes. Next to you, we're going to scrub the potatoes. Can you see? I am literally scrubbing the potatoes so I can get out all the sand particles and dust. Because we are going to eat the skin. It's nice and crispy as well. Can you see the potatoes are nice and clean? See the difference? I'm going to pat them dry. Using the kitchen roll to pat it dry. Kitchen roll to pat it dry. Okay, so I'm just going to use a fork, normal fork we use at home, and pierce the potatoes everywhere. And pierce the potatoes everywhere. I'm going to put as much piercing in as possible so we have a lot of outlet for the steam to come out. So it's all pierced now, and I'm going to now I'm using this potato spice season. I found it at ShopRite, I think. It's really good actually, so I'm not going to put any salt. I'm just going to use this. I usually use this when I'm doing my baked potatoes, so I'm just going to sprinkle some here on the potato, and then I'm just going to rub it in. So it's all well spiced, and I'm just going to pour some olive oil on it as well. Nice olive oil. Rub it in as well again. Just rub it in. I'm going to do this for the 4 potatoes I'm doing, and then see it's all nicely rubbed in. And now, can you see? These are my 4 potatoes ready to bake. I'm going to leave them in the oven for an hour, 13 minutes, so it bakes all the way in. There we go. In the meantime, it's on the gas mark is on, it's on 200, and I'm going to take it to 180. And we do this for an hour, 13 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to start preparing what I'm going to put in as the jacket potato fillings. Potatoes are ready. Woo. All ready. So what I did was I layered it with cheese first, with some black pepper. Then I poured the beans. Then I put more cheese and black pepper. You can have this with some vegetables on the side as well, but this is a finished product. Enjoy it.